Hello everyone, this is Raj Patel from Aerospace section. Today my topic is the working principle of Francis turbine. What is a Francis turbine? Francis turbine is a definition is a combination of both impulse and reaction turbines, where the blades rotated using both reactions and impulse force of water flowing through them producing electricity more efficiency. Francis turbine is used for the production of electricity the most frequency in the medium of large scale hydropower stations. Francis turbine. Francis turbine is an invert flow reaction turbine and used for medium heads. The turbine consists of a scroll casing which case that contain the guide vanes and the rudder. The purpose of the scroll casing is prevent the eddies and distribute the water uniformly over the guide vents we can get. Here, fixed blade between the two plates and fixed in the spring cases in the order to reduce re- three cases are there reduce the shock of water enter the runner by making the relative trigonometric guide type allow water distribution over the runner without eddies allow the liquid flow rates and adjusting guide vents. Runner is a wheel made from the two plates different in a diameter and the moving vanes are fixed in the between. For small units, the runner is made of the cast steels and for a large unit is made of stainless steels. So that draft tube is a conduit which connect the outer runner in the tail race and usually ingret are in the distribution of the flow. That is to reduce the velocity of water discharge to the race. Similar equation and diagram used in the Pelton wheels and the uses of Francis. Here this is a Francis turbine. In this side, this is a scroll casing spring roll. Here spring guide vans. These all are guide vans. In two guide vans distance of moving vans blades. This is a draft tube. This is also attached in Francis turbine. So is a spring cases, runner, guide vans. So we this is a rough dimensions of the Francis turbine and spring rails. Here B is equal to width of the blade in inlet. This one and B1 is equal to blade of the outer layer. So that's a aerofoil. Uh, and this is also this dimensional are guide vans. Okay. So B is equal to breadth of the blade intel. B1 is equal to blade of outlet. T is equal to thickness here. This is a thickness. And R is equal to radius of the runner of wheel inlet. And R1 is equal to radius of the runner of the wheel outlet. Formulas of the Francis turbines. Here radius in vents. Radial areas of the flow in inlet AI is equal to 2 pi r by nt. Radial area of the flow at outlet A naught is equal to 2 pi r1 by nt b1. Q naught is equal to 2 pi r1 by nt b1 vf1. Q in is equal to 2 pi r by nt b vf. Here k is a constant less than 1. Here k is a constant and less than 1 value. So k less than 1. So Q in is equal to 2 pi r k b vf. and Q out is equal to 2 pi R1 K1 B1 VF1. This is a formula of Q in and Q out of Francis turbines. Flow velocity between the inlet or outlet runner. So B is equal to ratio of runner's dimension. B is equal to small b by d is inlet. B1 is equal to small b1 by d1 outlet. Radial means always velocity. VF is the directions centers. This is a small numerical related by Francis turbine. So question, a Francis turbine works under a total head of 27.5 meter. The velocity of the wheel inlet of 15 meter per second. The output pipe of the turbine 0.3 meter diameter, and the turbine is supplied with a 0.32 meter cube per second of water. The radial velocity of the flow through the wheel is the same velocity in the output pipe. So the Vance angel in the inlet and the guide blade angles. The horsepower of the turbine. So we will find about the angle of inlet, guide blades angle, and horsepower of turbine. So this is a inlet Vance. Is a diagram of the numericals. Here VF, VR, V, the distance of V5. So VW is equal to 0, V1 is equal to 1. Here this is V1 is equal to V, VF1 is equal to V. So V1 is equal to, formula is Q by pi d square by 4. Here Q value is a 0.32 and radius 0.3. So substitute the values in formula. So VF is equal to 3.11 meter per second, and VW V by G is equal to H minus VF square by 2G. So VW is equal to 9.81 by 15, 27.5 minus 311. So their velocity is equal to 17.66 meter per second. And we'll find about the angle. So tan alpha, these angles and these angles also, because we have found about VF and VR, and this value also are there. So tan alpha, tan alpha is equal to VF by VR. Okay, VF by VR. So VF is equal to 3.11 meter per second here, and VW is equal to 17.66 meter per second. So that after substituting value, the tan alpha is equal to 0.176, though alpha is equal to 10. That's we will find about theta. So tan theta is equal to VF by VW minus V. So 3.11 by 766 minus 15 is equal to 1.1. So angle is equal to 49.46. So first we found about the Vance angle inlet. It's a 3.1 meter per second. Second is a guide blade angle 10. And third one is the horsepower of turbine. Okay. Thank you.